Just a short video to show the machine is in fact working properly. I've got it switched currently to a 4-track mode, and if I play the piece of music I recorded earlier, you'll see that both the VU meters that are currently switched to monitor are working fine on channels 1 and 3. Turn down one channel, meter goes off, the music keeps going. Turn down the other channel and everything goes off. So those two channels are working absolutely fine. Okay, I've now connected the output to channels 2 and 4, and I'll play this bit and you'll see the meter on channel 2 is not working at all. However, channel 4 is working absolutely fine. And if I turn channel 4 all the way down in the output, you'll hear channel 2 is still going. And I turn channel 2 down, you see channel 2 goes off, channel 2 back up again. So it's all playing and recording properly. It's just the meter itself that is not working properly. If you look at that link I put on the eBay advert for you, that'll take you to a place where a lad has already changed the driver circuit for the meter, and I'm sure if somebody was to do that, then everything would be hunky-dory. Okay, thank you very much.